What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I really just wanted to do a big update video and kind of just a review on my 4Runner. Since the last time I've done a review, I've done a ton of mods to this thing since the last time I kind of updated you guys. So I just wanted to give kind of a big rundown of everything that I have currently on my 2021 TRD off-road premium 4Runner. And so yeah, I really just wanted to give an update. I'll kind of show you guys everything I've done to this car so far, as well as kind of what I plan on doing as well. There's a bunch of stuff that I've kind of put in this car that there's not really need to put in the video. I'm just a bunch of small, very little things that I want to tell you guys about, just not make a video. So this video is going to cover everything, so let's get right into it. So the last video that you guys might have seen, which is probably my most popular video on the channel, is my review. And as of the review channel, it just had the rims and tires on it. So we've got some Toyo AT3s paired with some Raceline wheels. I've got a leveling kit on this thing to level it out, which I believe is 3 in the front, 2 in the back, in terms of the lift that levels it out. Since that video of just having rims, tires, and the lift on it, the very next thing that we did was we did the complete blackout package. So went ahead, replaced it with the TRD Pro bumper, went ahead and put some Raptor lights in that front, and then as well as this emblem right here on the side, the TRD Off-Road, blacked that out and blacked out this entire back piece right there. And the next thing that we went ahead and did, just looking at the outside, we put on this full Prenzu roof rack, which is the non-drill that comes from Prenzu, and then we paired that with a 40-inch Cali raised light bar, which fits in phenomenally. You could probably go a tad bit bigger if you wanted to, maybe to a 42-inch, but 40 fits perfect. And then pairing it down below right here, we have got the Baja Squadron Sport ditch lights, and it is with the Cali raised mount as well, because the ones that come with the Baja kind of sit a little bit higher than what I would like. The Cali raised ditch light mounts just make everything fit very good, looks very nice. I've got them angled out a tad bit, as you can see, compared to the top. I've got them angled out so we can kind of get a 180 view, and then this light bar up top gets everything out up front. Now for the rest of the car, what I kind of plan on doing, I plan on replacing these fog lights right here with some Baja fog lights as well. I do plan on replacing this front bumper. I absolutely can't stand that is gray or silver. I want to change that immediately, get the big kind of bull bar with the winch and probably a 30-inch light bar in there. That's probably the next biggest thing. On the back, I plan on doing a ladder, because eventually, and maybe we might put a rooftop tent up there. I want to make this kind of an overland build that I can take out and not have any problems, and just stay out for the weekend out in the woods. And I think that basically sums up the outside. I do have rock sliders on here that are just factory from Toyota that came with the car as an option to put on it. And now might be wondering, how did you get all of these lights paired in? Well, I installed a complete Switch Pro system. So this is what all of my lights mount into, is this big Switch Pro system. Basically, power goes right into here, and then your ground wire connects into that bus bar. Again, I made a complete video on installing this thing, so if you guys wanted to go check it out, I'll definitely drop it at the end of this video, just so you can guys see how I get all of the lights managed. That basically sums up the outside. Now, stepping into the vehicle, this is where I haven't, if you guys have seen my channel before, the last time this switch panel was just laying on the ground because I didn't really know where to put it, but I ordered the mount from SDHQ, which basically just replaces this entire panel right here, which makes this thing sit very, very nice. I absolutely love the look of that. And in the frame as well, we can see that we've got a pedal commander down there, which I've absolutely loved. I know there's kind of some debatable arguments for both sides of why you should and shouldn't get it. I absolutely love it. Can't stand the kind of lagginess that comes with its stock. But sitting down into this, we did do the TRD shift replacement with the whole carbon fiber just to match this center panel. I think it looks very nice. Comes standard with Apple CarPlay, and as well I've also got these kind of center tray organizers. It's got this and opens up down into a little 4 divider as well down below, because this is really just a sunken pit. And so just having something there, it's really nice. Store sunglasses, garage door openers. But again, these are just small things that I didn't really want to make a video on, because I don't really see a point in making a video. No one wants to watch that. And some more kind of just small cosmetic stuff. I got this back mole panel. Most of the stuff I've all got from 4Runner Lifestyle. Got the bag as well, which I've just filled with. I took the Toyota 4Runner first aid kit, took all the components out, put into this thing, and behind it got this carabiner attached, which is just a wireless charger. And that basically sums it up for the inside. And then finally opening up the trunk, I have got a JL Audio 12-inch subwoofer. I've got a box right here full of just random parts and stuff for this car that I do plan on putting on soon, which does include replacing all of these interior lights with LEDs. I've also just got a tow rope back here just in case. But that basically wraps up the whole, I think that's everything that I've done to this car so far. And so yeah, that basically wraps up this video. I just want to do a quick update as we keep on going through this entire build. I just want to go along and give updates of what I've done to this car, because I know it's sometimes hard to keep up with the videos, and so this is just a cool way to just update everyone on one video of what all I've done. If you guys want to see all the installs go down in this, or how I've installed everything on this car and truck, I have made videos. I've posted them all to the best of my ability. Again, I'm not a mechanic. This is my first time ever trying to install anything on any car that I've ever owned. So I just said, well, let's just go ahead and try to do it myself. So if you guys liked the video, you guys want to stick along with my journey as we try to make this into an overland beast, hopefully, please press that like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love all the recent support that I've gotten. Honestly, couldn't imagine doing this. It's the overwhelming support and views. I couldn't imagine just for starting out. It's been phenomenal. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.